Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3, Class 4, Exercise 6, and we will presentation about SMA Kencana Registration Web. Before we presentation, we will introduce our name. My name is Andianisa Malidin Putri.
My name is Reza Sepadi Purnomo.
And next, we will presentation about system analysis. System analysis. SMA Kencana Registration Web is a registration website for new students. This website was created to make it easier for new students who want to register to be part of SMA Kencana in the new school year. Students don't have to bother going to school to register, and it can be done anywhere. SMA Kencana registration web has several menus, that is login, recruitment, registration form, student links, and feedback. And this is database table. And this is database table pendaftaran SMA Kencana admin login. And next is pendaftaran SMA Kencana calon siswa. And this is feedback. And next is user interface. This is login page. And this is register page. And this is dashboard. This is recruitment page. This is registration form page. And this is student list page. This is edit form page. And this is feedback page. And this is lookup. And next is code. This is from login PHP, and this is the code of from login. First we use PHP, and next is include config PHP is to connect to config PHP, and next is session start, and we use if is a session username and header is connected to location index PHP. And next we use HTML, head metacharged UTF-8, and we use meta name, description, keywords, and style sheet. And next is body. Body we use from class box action process login PHP method post name login, img src image logo JPG is to use the background of the from login, and logo of from login, and we use login here to be title and input button class href from href is connected to from register PHP, and next is index PHP.
I want to tell index.php. Next is the shortcut index.php. Here there is an input config.php which function to connect to the database section. Then there is a session to perform activities related to user interaction on a PHP web server. In this session, the interaction part is according to the username that has been input on the login form. Then here is a div function in HTML usually to group element or text into a group. Then there is a you'll take to indicate an unordered list or a random list. And the HTML all element is used to represent a list of items or a collection of items that can be rearranged randomly without numbering. Now, next. Then next, there is menu.php with contents that are not much different from index.php. Okay, next. Then the register.php form, which contains a shortcut form for re-registration input with an action that goes to the registration process to fill in the existing database with the required function on the form, which makes it impossible to input if the data is empty. Okay, next. The next list of students.php contains source code and queries to display data on the web by retrieving data from the database. With the article text that makes the web structure into article, which then there is an action for lisiswa.php itself. Okay, next. Okay, next there is the process edit.php, which is the action of the edit form edit.php with the same form as the list form, only here it is pure PHP coded to retrieve data from the database and then edit it. Okay, next. Next, delete.php is the action of ref delete, which is in lisiswa.php, which contains a query to delete. Okay, next, feedback from content source code to query the database with action process feedback.php. Next, allow logout.php to end the login session on index.php and return to the login menu. Next, the config.php to connect the web with the database. Okay, and next, then the form register has the same source code as the login. The difference is that the action goes to the register process to query the data into the database. And next, then the login process is the beginning of the login session to get a username and password as a login requirement. And next, okay, then process registration action from form registration. Okay, next, source code of proses pendaftaran.php. In this to queries form pendaftaran.php. Next, and this process feedback.php and process feedback to perform queries which are action from the feedback form.
Okay, and next, style login CSS. This is style login CSS of SMA Kencana registration web. And this is style index.css of web. And this is style index too. And this is style menu.css. And this is style menu of CSS too. And next, Asep.
Okay, and the next is the respective CSS style, which is the basis of the design of each web session. And this CSS style list siswa. Next, and this style feedback the CSS for form feedback. Okay, next. And this style daftar.css for form daftar. Okay, next. And this style edit.css for edit form.php. Next. And thank you for your attention. We are group 3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.